All right, today's application problem says when the amusement park opens, the number on the counter at the gate read 928,614. At the end of the day, the counter read 931,682. How many people went through the gate that day? Our first thing we need to say to ourselves is, as we get ready to draw a tape, is this a comparison or a part whole? And looking at these two numbers, both these numbers have to do with the same idea of how many people went through the gate. So we're comparing the gate at the beginning of the day to the gate at the end of the day. So this is a comparison problem, not a part whole. So I'm going to use numbers that are rounded so you can go back and add in the actuals when you're working. But at the start of the day, I'd say about 929,000 people had already came in. And at the end of the day, the counter read about 932,000. So what we're looking for is the difference between the end of the day and the beginning of the day. We're going to represent that difference in this space here. Our variable is the unknown amount, and it's the amount of people that came in from the start of the day to the end of the day. I can now subtract, and I get about 3,000 people. To make my answer complete, I'm going to have to put this into an answer statement. So the question says, how many people went through the gate that day? In one day, about 3,000 people went through the gate. You go ahead now and solve for the actual, and you could submit your answer on the Google form.